Welcome to the future of smartphones. Apple has done it again, pushing boundaries, setting new standards, and reimagining what a phone can be. Today, we're diving deep into the iPhone 17 Pro Max, the latest and greatest flagship device from Apple that combines cutting-edge hardware, advanced artificial intelligence, and next-level design to deliver an experience unlike anything before. This isn't just another annual upgrade. The iPhone 17 Pro Max introduces technologies that feel like they were pulled straight from the future, from a nearly invisible under-display camera to AI-powered experiences that adapt to your life, to a battery that learns your daily routine, and even satellite connectivity that now goes beyond emergency texting. Buckle up, because in this breakdown, we'll cover everything you need to know: design, display, cameras, performance, battery, iOS innovations, connectivity, durability, and of course, the pros and cons that will help you decide if this is truly the ultimate smartphone for you. Design and build. The first thing you notice about the iPhone 17 Pro Max is its refined, futuristic design. Material upgrade. Apple has moved beyond titanium this year, introducing liquid metal armor, a lightweight alloy with extreme durability and scratch resistance. It keeps the phone strong while making it slightly lighter than last year's Pro Max. Slimmer profile. The bezels have been shaved down once again, making this the slimmest bezel iPhone ever. In fact, from the front, it's almost all screen, a seamless glass slab with no interruptions. Under-display camera, that's right, the dynamic island is gone. Apple has achieved what many thought impossible, hiding the front camera and Face ID sensors under the display without sacrificing quality. When you're using the phone, the screen looks flawless. When you need the camera, the pixels above it dim and the sensors work invisibly. Color options. This year, Apple introduces new shades: Starlight Titanium, Deep Ocean Blue, Alpine White, and a striking Crimson Red. Each finish is polished with a matte texture that resists fingerprints. Haptic side buttons. Physical buttons are history. Instead, the iPhone 17 Pro Max uses solid-state haptic buttons, giving you a realistic click feel without moving parts. These are fully customizable, meaning you can assign shortcuts, like instantly launching the camera, starting a voice note, or activating AI features. The design language screams minimalism, precision, and futuristic elegance, something that will stand out for years. Display innovations. Apple has always led the industry in display technology, and the iPhone 17 Pro Max raises the bar again. Size and resolution: a 6.9-inch Super Retina XDR Pro display, now sharper than ever with a resolution approaching 8K level pixel density. Refresh rate: ProMotion now goes up to 240 Hz for ultra-smooth animations, gaming, and scrolling. It can also scale all the way down to 1 Hz to save battery when showing static content. Peak brightness. Outdoors, it can hit an incredible 4000 nits, making it the brightest display on any phone. HDR movies look jaw-dropping, with color accuracy rivaling professional monitors. Under-display technology. As mentioned, both the camera and Face ID sensors live beneath the display, which means the entire front surface is uninterrupted glass. Apple uses a nanopixel diffusion layer that maintains clarity while hiding the sensors. Always On 2.0. The always-on display now supports interactive widgets. You can reply to messages, control music, or check live sports scores without fully waking your phone. Watching content on this display feels like holding a cinema screen in your hand, immersive, fluid, and unbelievably bright. Camera system. Now, let's talk about what most people care about most: the camera system. Apple has re-engineered photography and videography on the iPhone 17 Pro Max with new sensors, AI computation, and pro-level features. Triple lens, setup, main camera, a massive 1-inch 60-megapixel sensor with variable aperture from f1.2 to f4.0, giving you DSLR-like control over depth of field. Ultra-wide, a new 50-megapixel ultra-wide sensor with advanced low-light performance and near-zero distortion. Telephoto, an upgraded 7x periscope zoom lens, reaching up to 40x digital zoom with lossless quality. AI photography engine. Apple introduces Neural Capture 2.0, an AI system that processes images at the pixel level in real time. It adjusts lighting, textures, and colors intelligently, producing photos that look natural yet breathtaking. Cinematic video mastery. You now get 16-bit raw video recording, ProRes 8K at 120 frames per second, and even AI-based stabilization that eliminates the need for gimbals. Under-display front camera. Despite being hidden, the 24-megapixel front sensor produces crystal-clear selfies thanks to advanced light correction and multi-frame AI reconstruction. For creators, the iPhone 17 Pro Max is not just a phone camera. It's a professional-grade filmmaking tool that fits in your pocket. Performance and chipset. At the heart of the iPhone 17 Pro Max is Apple's most advanced processor yet, a 21 Pro Fusion chip. Built on a 2-nanometer architecture, this chip offers insane efficiency and power. It's 40% faster than the A20, with GPU performance rivaling dedicated gaming consoles. AI neural engines, the phone features quad neural cores designed to run AI models directly on device. This means instant photo editing, real-time voice translation, and advanced Siri functions without needing the cloud. RAM and storage starts at 12 gigabytes RAM with storage options up to 2 terabytes. That's more than enough for 8K video creators and pro workflows. Cooling system. Apple adds a nano-graphene liquid cooling chamber, keeping performance stable even under heavy gaming or video editing. The result is a phone that doesn't just feel fast, it redefines speed and efficiency. Battery and charging. Battery life has always been a talking point, and this year, Apple takes a massive leap forward. Battery size. The iPhone 17 Pro Max houses a 5,500 mAh adaptive battery that learns your daily patterns and optimizes power usage. Smart Charging AI. It predicts when you'll need full power, slowing charging overnight and giving you bursts of fast charge during the day. Charging speeds. 80-watt wired charging. 0 to 50% in just 15 minutes. 50-watt MagSafe wireless charging. Double last year's speed. Reverse charging. For the first time, the iPhone can wirelessly charge other devices like your AirPods, Apple Watch, or even a friend's phone. In real-world terms, this phone lasts 2 full days of heavy use on a single charge. iOS and AI integration. The iPhone 17 Pro Max ships with iOS 20, and this update is all about AI-driven intelligence. Siri 3.0. Apple's virtual assistant is now powered by an on-device large language model. It understands context, memory, and natural conversation. AI writing assistant, built directly into iOS, helping you draft emails, notes, and even creative stories with ease. Live translation, speak in one language, and the iPhone will instantly translate in another with zero internet needed. Adaptive home screen, iOS 20 changes layouts dynamically, showing work apps during office hours, entertainment at night, and travel tools at the airport. Personal AI avatar, a 3D digital assistant that appears when you need it, projecting on the lock screen or through AR glasses integration. This is no longer just iOS. It feels like a personal AI companion inside your phone. Connectivity and future. Tech. Connectivity on the iPhone 17 Pro Max goes beyond 5G, 6G ready. The device supports 6G networks, offering speeds up to 10 gigabits per second for instant downloads. Satellite 2.0, not just emergency SOS. You can now send iMessages, make short calls, and share location via satellite in remote areas with no signal. Ultra-wideband 3 enhances AirDrop, spatial audio, and AR experiences with pinpoint accuracy. Wi-Fi 8. Support, faster, more reliable, and capable of handling multiple devices without lag. The iPhone 17 Pro Max is built to stay ahead for years, future-proofing your investment. Safety and durability. Apple continues to focus on user safety and durability. Crash Detection 2.0, more accurate, able to detect a wider range of accidents. Health monitoring, non-invasive blood sugar, monitoring joints heart rate, ECG, and blood oxygen, making the iPhone your personal health companion. Water and dust resistance, certified IP69K, the highest rating, meaning it can survive high-pressure water jets and extreme dust environments. Self-healing glass. The new display glass has micromolecular coating that can repair minor scratches over time. This phone isn't just smart, it's built to protect you and itself. Pros and cons. Pros, stunning liquid metal design with ultra-slim bezels, under-display camera, and Face ID for a seamless front. 6.9-inch 240Hz Super Retina display with insane brightness. Professional-grade camera system with 1-inch sensor and 8K video. A 21 Pro Fusion chip with AI integration. 2-day battery life with super fast charging. iOS 20 with advanced AI tools and Siri 3.0. Satellite connectivity for global communication. Durable build with self-healing glass and IP69K rating. Cons. Expensive, with top models crossing $2,000. Large size may be uncomfortable for some users. Advanced features like AI avatar may feel gimmicky to casual users. Accessories like faster MagSafe chargers sold separately. Repair costs are extremely high due to complex materials. The iPhone 17 Pro Max isn't just another smartphone, it's Apple's boldest leap forward, combining futuristic design, professional-grade tools, and deeply integrated AI that changes how you interact with technology. It's not perfect, it's massive, pricey, and perhaps overkill for someone who just wants a phone for calls and social media. But for power users, creators, and anyone who wants the absolute best smartphone experience money can buy, the iPhone 17 Pro Max stands in a league of its own. Apple didn't just build a phone, they built a personal AI-powered supercomputer in your pocket. The future is here, and it fits in the palm of your hand.